shout out ko kayo. Guys, Timothy, Sis Lilian, thank you. K20 CN from Japan, thank you friend. Miguel out shout out. Si Iris, thank you. Sis Ella, Ellie de Los Santos, thank you. RBD Mix Vlog, si Dara, thank you. Laag with me, thank you for coming. Lucy Warrensworth, thank you friend. Bro John B. Mix, thank you. Bro Sam Gaming Channel, thank you. Gaming, nagpalit na pala ng pangalan si Bro Sam. Hindi na pala Reflection, Gaming na pala. Sam Gaming Channel, thank you. Sisi Kitty Pop, thank you. Mamelen Doctor, thank you Mamelen Doctor. Always pag-support, thank you sis. Lispida, thank you for coming sis. Casey Tintin, thank you. Sis Brenelin, thank you. Bro Things, thank you. Ma'am Nobi Acosta, thank you ma'am sa pagpa-member. Thank you po. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Miguel shout out sa inyong lahat, sa Team Monetize Family, kay Team Ma'am Helen Doctor, Team Pakas, thank you to all sa aking mga kalalabs na always nagsusupport. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. Malapit na ako mag-end. 2 minutes na lang, gawin ko siyang isang oras. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Lian, Timothy, nandiyan ka pa. Thank you. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you.